What is up, gang? I think my mic is a little loud. Wait, is that still really bad? Okay, hopefully that's a little bit better there. What's up, chat? Today I want you guys to maybe check this out for me. Because I am working on something that's pretty cool. And it would mean a lot if you guys help me beta test this. I've already been beta testing it a little bit with a couple of friends and stuff. But what you can do with this is pretty interesting. So I would like you guys to... I'm investing already. That's crazy. Appreciate it, bruh. But anyways, like, this is a new music rating app. So this is like cutting edge, guys. This is a cutting edge music rating app that I made. It's like probably got the cleanest UI for like this type of website that's out there. Not to toot my own horn, but like, come on, bro. This is like the cleanest UI. Come on. And pretty much what you can do here is you can like rate songs and albums, and obviously like it's in beta right now, so there's a lot of features that I want to add to it. But this has been like a really fun project for me. I've like really enjoyed doing this. Also, guys, freaking love this song. This like project has been so fun so far, and like this is probably the most I've enjoyed working on something in like a while. So I hope you guys can back me up on this and like kind of get into it, because it just so happens to be pretty darn cool. So today I'm going to try to work on a couple new features as well as beta test with you guys. So if you go to my website, it's the same domain as the Fortnite assets, but don't worry about this. That does not work. I should probably remove that. Guys, just please, if you want to, if you really can't handle me not doing Fortnite, then I guess bye bye. But like, I mean, bro, come on. Your assets part doesn't work. The Fortnite assets area. Yeah, I know. Sorry, I need to take that down because like I'm just not into it, guys. I'm sorry. I'm really just not interested in doing Fortnite assets anymore. As much as I know like that was the purpose of the channel and that was the original purpose of the website, as much as I understand that, it's not something that I really feel like I want to do anymore, because I just don't enjoy it, dude. Like, that's the thing, man. I'm graduated now. Like, not what I mean is like I'm graduating from Fortnite, like at least that part. Like, it's just like this stuff, like I'd rather do projects that have more impact, as much as I love the niche little like Fortnite community. I've been wanting to do some more stuff, so I think somebody just added this. I'm not really sure, but I could have sworn this is a new album. Okay, now I think this should be working. Now we have... Alright, wow. We've got a couple people. We got a couple people submitting some stuff. It's cool. Okay, bye. Okay. Bye. Gosh. Okay. Well, that's really weird. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, bro. Literally only subscribed for assets. That's insane. That one guy only subscribed for assets. That's crazy. Sorry, your website isn't coming back up. Yeah, I'm unsubscribing to you. Listen, guys, I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you and say that like, oh, I really want to do this. Like, I really want to make Fortnite assets. Like, I just don't really. Like, that's the bottom line. Is like, it's no longer something that I want to do, and I really hope that my current community can understand that. I mean, if not, it's fine. Like, I'll just keep doing whatever. But like, you know, it's good luck on your new project. Thank you. Never thought you would go from Fortnite creative to music. Yeah, but I've just gotten really into music, so that's the thing. I can't say that. I don't know that I'm going to upload much on this channel. I mean, I kind of did like. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm not sure. But yeah, guys. So pretty much, if you guys are interested, which if you could let me know, like if you're even somewhat interested in helping me do this, like please like let me know, and then like we can actually do some stuff. You know, I can just see here what people have done. Only like a couple people have rated some stuff, but alright guys, well, I want you guys to let me know if you want to help me out. If this is something that you're interested in, or if I'm going to have to completely abandon my channel. Like, let me know what's going on here. Okay, Spotify search. Only thing is this does have a rate limit. So maybe I should do if not results, then, or if results dot, I think the results dot error. Let me look at the Spotify thing. Yeah, results dot error. Then we would need to do return render. Oops. Error, and then we want to pass in message. So message would be okay. Oh wait, this is that search results dot a. How can I help you out? I need like some feature suggestions. because I would like to try and make this like as best as it can be. So as of now, I was thinking about doing a discover page instead of having songs and albums like they kind of be on one page, and then you would it'd be more like a discovery, like it's like top 10 songs or whatnot, and then you would search here, and then this is what would connect to the actual Spotify API. Is when you search there and it makes a request to Spotify. Only downside is there's a rate limit for Spotify API of 25 requests per second. I don't really see that being an issue though, as at least right now I really don't see that being an issue, because I don't think that this site's going to get that much traffic just starting off. So results, so this should not be I'm just going to return an empty array for this. All songs, and then search results is going to be results. Search results. Okay, so now I want to add in an empty array for this though, so let's just quickly do that. Results. Alright, let's start by passing in an empty array for this, because it does not like it when something is not defined. Is that literally the only one? Oh, that's easy. Okay. Okay, now within rate song, I want to do, let's see, get rid of this. I don't want that anymore. I actually want to put in a form here, so we're going to do form. And then input text. This will be the search bar, and we're going to name this one query. So this is going to be placeholder search for any song or album, ... name equals query, and then styling, that's whatever. Okay, so now I also want to have our submit button. We don't need that because that will just be action equals /search, and then method is a post method. Okay. Okay. Search results. So if we want to do so if all songs.length is 0, well, that means that for now that'll mean that search results is populating. So search results dot for each song, A for F songs. Okay, hold on here. I'm thinking that I'll do like a silent form. And we'll do method equals post, and then action equals /submit, and then we'll add a button in here that is for adding the thing. So how about we do if oh, oops, okay. Hold on, let me look at Spotify API real quick. So if we do album track 200, and then it's going to be for album dot, where's the ID, dude? Okay, it's just album.id in the for each. Cool. Alright, so yeah, ID, Spotify search. Okay, so I need to exists is a function. Nope, not song exists, just exists. Exists results. Okay. Function exists. Array. So array dot for each. Array dot for each. We'll just say song. Wait, actually, I think I can call. Array dot for each song. If not, let me just import song exists. Song exists. Let me look at this. Song exists. Song get song by ID. Okay, I need get song by ID. Oh wait, is this middleware, dude? Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot that was middleware. That's not what I want. Okay, hold on. Song exists. All song exists. What the fuck? Oh. Dude. Albums equals albums don't find. Okay, I want song exists. So if not song exists, song dot album dot ID. I'm pretty sure that's what I want here. Array, or no, song dot album dot song dot album dot equals false. Song dot album dot already exists equals false, and then we do true. Okay. I might just do alright, I guess it's fine. We'll just do else then. Song dot album that already exists equals true. Just return array. Return array, and then it would be song.album that already exists within rate song. So this would be search results for each song, and then if song dot album dot already exists you say you don't mean what you're saying to me, but the glitter in your eyes is telling me other things. But the glimmer in your eyes is telling me. I want the tracks to see you with another. All I wanna forget. Song, I think it's song.album.ref. I think so. Album ref. No, it's images, actually, I think. Album.images.images0. Album.images0, or no, 1 dot URL. Okay, and then it would be song.album.name, song.album.artist, artists, or this would be artists 0, album.artists 0 name. Okay. And then either way, it would be button rate. I'm pretty sure it's called Spotify button. What albums do you have down? Oh, you have to go. Sorry, man. It's a pretty cool idea thing. Well, you're gone, but I like the part that it's anonymous. Yeah, me too, man. I think that's like one of my key values. How would you make it work with Spotify? The Spotify API. It basically means that you can like get a bunch of data from Spotify, and then you use an API key to fetch it, and that's how. Oh, who added this? I'm rating this a 10, bro. Whoever added this, fired. Let's see. What else do we have going on here? Somebody. You guys should definitely add some stuff if you haven't already. Let's check the activity log here. Yeah, somebody did. Somebody added Evanescence. That's awesome. Bro, Bring Me to Life. This actually needs to top the song chart. I think I'm gonna add advanced math to this so that it accounts for the amount of ratings and its score. So like if something has 5, if something has more ratings and it still has a 10.0, like then that'll be number 1 instead of like, for example, like it'll be higher than something like this, which only has 1 rating, even though it has a 10.0, but it only has one rating. So like songs that have 10.0s with multiple ratings are going to be placed higher based on weighted math. It'll be like just like weighted. So yeah, you guys should go and rate as many songs as you can. It'll help, especially with like server load testing and all sorts of stuff. Just so you know, we do have Anxiety by Doechii on here, which is not doing so well. It has a 0.6 out of 10 for 5 ratings. Same thing with Dance Monkey, it has a 0.1 out of 10 rating. Go Your Own Way, Fleetwood Mac. I'm giving this a solid 9.7, dude. Oh, I think... Oh, is it rounding again? Ugh, it's so annoying, dude. It's rounding again, bruh. It's rounding down. Alright, I need to fix that, too. That's another bug. Now I need to figure out what is the parameter when it submits a new song. Modify URL. Value equals what is it called? Is it called the URI? Nope. URI. Oh yeah, it's just called album.href. Okay, perfect. So that I can put this as song.album.href. Cool. I think this should, in theory, work, but the problem is, there's always a ton of bugs. Alright guys, moment of truth here. Okay, looks like it did not crash, so that's a good sign. Okay, so this is the for now. So yeah, form action method equals post. So we would do you see guys, there's always a bunch of bugs. Cannot read properties of undefined reading items. Okay, maybe I need to include oh, oops. I think I forgot to put it as body dot. I forgot to put it as no, I did. Query name equals query. Interesting. That's really weird, guys.